Hey everyone, it's Lee at Carson City RV, and today we're going to talk about Airstream. So you recognize it immediately, the iconic silver bullet, the promise of an open road and a lifetime of adventure. This isn't just an RV, it's an Airstream. But what you might not realize is the journey to get here, from raw materials to the finished trailer, is a deliberate, painstaking, almost entirely handmade process that's unlike anything else in the RV world. In a world where a typical box-style RV can be built over 50 hours, an Airstream takes more than 350 hours to complete. This is an Airstream quality, and this is why. The story starts with one man, Wally Byam. In 1931, Wally founded Airstream Trailers. His vision was simple, a durable trailer that traveled like a stream of air. That legacy endured over 90 years. Airstream is still built the right way, not the easiest, not the fastest, but by the way that it ensures it will last. This is not an RV, this is a work of art. So I wanted to take a couple of minutes to kind of show you what makes Airstream so unique. And you know, this is a used coach. This is a 2020 23Fb. But Airstream is a brand that is kind of like an heirloom piece. It will last forever. If you maintain it, it will last for a very, very long time. And the way that this starts is it has a steel ladder frame with an aluminum monocoque shell that's placed over it. The body itself is constructed of over 1,200 square feet of aluminum panels. That combined with, in a typical coach, they're going to have roughly 3,000 individually placed rivets. So what you have is something that's completely handmade, and you can really tell by the details. I mean, from the badging that's on it, you know, that's all hand stamped, to the way that the windows are framed. I mean, it really is, this is a work of art. Talking about the suspension and the wheel and tire setup on this. Now, this is a design that they came up with in the 1930s. It is a premium rubber torsion suspension system, and that suspension system will actually absorb 50% more than your traditional either leaf spring or like your standard axle setup. It's really ahead of its time, and they still use it today. Going around the back here, I want you to notice something. They have these awnings on pretty much all sides of the coach. You have the rear awning here, you have the side window awning, and then you have this really super cool Zip-D is the brand powered awning. When it comes out, it's really dramatic. Let's take a look at the inside. And when you get inside, it's a fairly small floor plan, but there's a lot of utility here. Going into the front portion, you pick up a really nice airy open space because you have all of these windows. It's kind of like being on a boat. All the cabinets in this coach are hardwood that I have not seen in any RV. Regardless of the price, I've never seen anything like that. It really is fantastically built. Coming across here, you do have your kitchen, which is in line. You do have a stove. You do have a 3-burner stove and an oven. You have your refrigerator there, and that is a hybrid, so you can run propane or electric. 13.5 on the air conditioning on this, and you do have this really nice spacious rear bathroom. Everything on this coach is going to be either aircraft or marine grade, so it's going to be built to last. It's something that you could actually have in your family for years. Now, the floor on this is made out of a composite material that is made out of recycled plastic and glass, and it resists moisture. And the way that the roof is constructed on this is part of that monocoque shell that you could actually pick this coach up by its roof. Okay, so there you have it, the 2020 Airstream Globetrotter 23Fb. I mean, this is a fantastic coach with a lot of features that I haven't even scratched the surface on. It truly is something that if you purchase this now, you could give it to your grandkids. Let's talk a little bit about the price. The price of this coach is $78,499. But here at Carson City RV, we don't believe in selling anything at full list price. Get in touch with me. All of my links are down in the description. It's our #1 goal to fit the price and or payment into your budget. So until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing new videos every week. We'll catch you on the next one, and goodbye.